Hey everyone, it's Carol from Pure Hot Yoga in St. Louis, and in today's posture breakdown, we're going to talk about standing bow pulling pose. Now there is a lot going on in this posture. You are balancing on one leg, you're working towards standing splits, you're doing a backward bend with a little bit of a spine twist. So even though there's a lot going on, we're going to break it down so no matter what level you're at, you can find success in this posture. Let's start with a quick demonstration. Bring left hand in front of you, palm facing up to the ceiling and elbow close to the body. Bring your arm out to the side, and without turning your wrist, grab your left ankle from the inside with all 5 fingers together. Reach right arm up, lock standing right knee, knees are together if you can to start, and then you charge body forward as you kick your left leg back and then up, and start to bring body down. So eventually abdomen and chest are parallel to the floor, and 2 feet are in one line from the side. You kick back and stretch forward, equal simultaneous 50-50. One of the most common mistakes we see is getting the wrong grip of the foot. So let's take a look at that. The way you do it is bring the palm so it's facing up towards the ceiling, and elbow stays in close to your body as you bring your arm out to the side. As you extend at your elbow, it's almost like you have a plate of drinks in your hand and you don't want to drop that plate. So as you extend, the palm faces up, and then you're able to grab from the inside at the ankle. So a lot of times people will flip their hand last second, and you notice how it changes the position of my shoulder, making it pretty much impossible to get that opening of the chest that we're going for as you begin the posture. So again, palm faces up and out, and as you grab, make sure it's the ankle instead of the toes or too close to the shins. You want that sweet spot right at the ankle. Sometimes grabbing the foot at all is a big challenge, and if that's you, that's okay. You're going to really reach the top arm up, reach the bottom arm down, and maybe you can start by grabbing the outside of the foot. If that's you, great. Then you can start to walk your hand around the top of the foot and then back down to the inside. Once you have it at the ankle, then you can begin the kick and the stretch. Now, if still grabbing the foot is not for you, it's not happening, keep reaching that top arm up, reach the bottom arm down, and you can notice here already my spine is in the correct position. So we're getting that backward bend with a little bit of a spine twist, and as you keep reaching the arm up, you might be able to eventually grab the foot. This posture is that perfect marriage between strength and flexibility. And this is really noticeable when you're in the posture and you're working on the kick, that strength, and the reach of the arm forward. So the kick and the stretch should be equal, 50-50, and when you have those two things equal, you'll find balance in the posture. So in other words, if you're starting to feel wobbly in the posture, make sure that you kick as much as you reach, and you kick and stretch and kick and stretch, and when you have those two things equally, you'll get more balanced in the posture. You do your best to come out with control. That's a big challenge too. All these things, I hope they help you the next time you're in class. Let us know if you have any questions, you guys, and we'll see you next time at Pure Hot Yoga.